Welcome to 18361 Lake Harbor Lane in Manchac Harbor subdivision. Walking through the front entry, you'll love the open concept floor plan. With soaring ceiling heights, a beautiful encased brick fireplace, architectural columns, and a beautiful modern dining room. The grand open kitchen features custom white cabinetry, slab of granite countertops, a 5-burner gas cooktop, modern pendant lighting, stainless steel farm sink, and upgraded stainless steel appliances. The large center island has a dedicated seating area and a large breakfast nook that lets in lots of natural light. As we head over to the master bedroom, you'll be impressed by all the features. That include plantation shutters, crown moldings, mounted ceiling fan, and painted in a modern color palette with plenty of room for large furnishings. The ensuite master bathroom features double vanity sinks, dark stained cabinetry, a large soaking jetted tub, smooth updated countertops, and a modern standalone shower. The two bedrooms on the other side of the home from the master feature engineer wood flooring, mounted ceiling fans, crown moldings, and both share an attached bathroom with double vanity sinks and a separate tub shower combination. As we head to the opposite side of the home, there is one more bedroom for guests with its own full bathroom with pedestal sink and a tub shower combination. This home also has a bonus room upstairs, perfect for a media room or a quiet office space. As we head into the backyard, you'll love the grand porch area, perfect for entertaining guests and looking out into the large yard that has ample room for a possible swimming pool in the future. 18361 Lake Harbor Lane in Manchac Harbor subdivision is ready for your private showing today.